Would I recommend people to use Saad's consulting service? Yes, I would. From my personal experience, Saad has been fantastic. I've had the pleasure of knowing him for several years, and I used his consulting service for the first time last week. I had a FBA product that I'd launched. Launch went quite well at the beginning, but then the product started to slide, and I was actually wondering whether to continue with the product or whether to just call it a day and kill it off. Contacted Saad just to have a look before I made that decision. We had an hour talk together in that time. Saad analysed the listing for me, gave me some brilliant recommendations on things I could change around the images, around my copy, made some really great recommendations which he assured me would work, and I can honestly say, having now implemented Saad's advice, I've already seen my organic sales grow and my listings increasing. So without a doubt, if you've got a product you're looking at, if you're having problems or you just want some advice and guidance, I can't recommend enough. Talk to Saad, you really will be pleased you did.